This is Kyle, and I'm here with another fun fact for you. Who likes red wine? I like red wine. Everybody likes red wine. We probably drink too much of it. And you know what? When we heard several years ago about resveratrol and that it came from red wine, that was just the excuse we needed to drink more of it. Unfortunately, we don't get very much of it from red wine. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. But there is a supplement that is actually a little bit better than that. It's called Pterostilbene. Pterostilbene. I might be pronouncing that wrong, and it's spelled a little funny. It's one of those P-T-E-R words, so it starts with a P. Anyway, this one's really cool because it actually helps repair your DNA. So every time your cells are dividing, there's a little piece of the DNA that comes off of it. That's called a telomere. So as the cell divides over time and it keeps biting off a little piece of that telomere, it eventually gets to the end of its rope and then it dies. So we want to make cells last longer. Take this supplement and your cells will last longer because it increases telomere length. How cool is that? It's a free radical scavenger, meaning it's going to reduce inflammation in your body. It's going to help to repair the DNA. As I mentioned, it's going to improve your immune system, reducing C-reactive protein, and it reduces tumors, tumor necrosis. How cool is that? So sometimes we don't even know if we have tumors. And so if you're taking this, then you're giving yourself the best chance of mitigating cancer, at least helping. And this also stimulates stem cell production. And so we've all heard about stem cells. Stem cells are those little foundational cells that turn into more cells and do all these amazing things for your body. We want more of those. There's doctors that specialize in giving you your own stem cells in a way to help you repair better. Well, let's just take some supplements and get that action going on right now. So add this guy to your supplement regimen, just like I do, and live longer with me. This is Kyle, and another fun fact.